Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech PRO X2 Superlight. In this video I'll show you how to enable GShift and what GShift is. GShift is a special function thanks to which you can add another layout of functions to your mouse. It works simple. First let's go to assignments. Now enable GShift. Adjust buttons for your second layout and now disable it. Now select System and select button you would like to assign GShift to. For example, forward. Find GShift. Double tap it to assign it and it's done. Now if you press and hold GShift, you will have second layout of buttons, but only after holding. Only while holding. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.